my favorite part at all. I'll never be the same. Never, never, never. I'll never be the same. In Jesus' name. Amen.
I want to talk to you today about I still believe. We all have promises we're standing on, dreams we're hoping will come to pass. It's easy to believe at first, but what happens when nothing is improving? We've had setbacks, the door didn't open, our health didn't get better. That's a test.
Alright, so let me show y'all what kind of hair I am about to use. So I got the I don't know, is this called, I don't know, I got this hair, right? So I got the regular hair where it's regular. And I also got the ones with the little, I think it's called French deep ends, boho. So I got 2 packs of this one and 2 packs of the original. Because I didn't want this, like too much of this hair so it can look big, that ain't cute. So I decided to get both so I can mix it or whatever. And then I also got this one. Y'all see what I do with, well, there's 100 videos on YouTube, okay? This is not a tutorial, it's watch me do my hair, okay? But I am gonna use this. Oh, my dog's so cute. Aww. Y'all, so I had to go look out the window because it's this little girl walking her dog, and it's literally a puppy, and it's on no leash, and they walking in the middle of the street. And she's like, Mommy, the dog's listening. Like, girl, that dog can get distracted and it's gonna be a pancake. Like, where the leash? Anyways, let me get back on topic. I do that a lot. But I'm gonna use this here to do the front, like for both. Get it together. When I do the 2 front rows, I wrap the roots with some hair so you won't see the bulkiness. I don't think that's cute. I don't feel there's no need to do the back, wrapping the back, because like who's gonna see it when it get a little old? It's all gonna blend in anyway, so why do the back? But I just came in to show y'all the hair I'm using. Let me get closer. I don't know, is it called, it's called, I know it's Bobbie Boss Nu Locs. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know, let me figure that out real quick.